Welcome to Knowledge Plaza. Click on subscribe button, click on bell icon and select all and thumbs up for more videos.
Namaste. Once again, welcome to Knowledge Plaza. It's all about mathematics. So today, as I'm before you to discuss about the NCERT 10th Standard Physics topic. Okay, NCERT 10th Standard Physics topic. That is electricity. So let us discuss about the topic. Electricity is the one of the most essential part of our life in today's world. It makes our life easier and faster. It is the controllable and convenient form of energy because it can be convert from one form of energy into another form of energy. Like electrical energy, it can be converted into light energy, and it is also converted into heat energy. So it is a convenient form of energy, and it can be stored in a transformers. So that's why it is a controllable form of energy. It is a controllable and a convenient form of energy. It is being used in the sectors like transport, industry, agriculture, and also in some other sectors, and also mainly the households. So electricity is widely used in entire world. Without electricity we cannot do any kind of work most easier and faster. So let us discuss some basic concepts of the electricity. Now let us discuss about the basic concepts regarding the electricity. In the first one is electric charge. Electric charges. It is the physical entity. It is defined as the excess or deficiency of electrons on a body. It is a physical entity. It can be defined as the excess or deficiency of electrons on a body. Every body constitutes electrons and protons. So here the excess of electron and deficiency of electrons on a body carries electric charges. So electric charges can be defined as the excess or deficiency of electrons on a body. If a body loses electrons or donates electrons, then it acquires a positive charge. It acquires a positive charge, and the body is said to be positively charged body. Body is said to be positively charged. Why? It loses electrons or it donates electron to another one. So that's why it becomes a positive charged body. The body which receives or which gains the electron, the body which receives or gains the electron, it becomes negatively charged. And the body becomes negatively charged, and it is said to be negatively charged body. When the body receives electron from other body or others one, then it becomes the body is negatively charged one. For example, a glass rod is rubbed with silk cloth. A glass rod is rubbed with silk cloth. A glass rod receives the electron from the silk. Here the silk donates the electron to the or loses the electron, and which is acquired by the glass rod, and the glass rod acquires the negative charge and the silk cloth acquires the positive charge. Here the glass rod becomes the negatively charged body and the silk cloth becomes the positively charged body. And let me take one more example. An ebonite rod An ebonite rod is rubbed with animal fur. animal fur. Then animal fur donates the electron or loses the electron which are gained by the ebonite rod. Okay, ebonite rod becomes the negatively charged one, and animal fur becomes the positively charged body. Okay, the body which receives the electron, which becomes negatively charged. The body which donates the electron, which becomes positively charged. I understand the concept. There are two types of electric charges, which are positively charged and negatively charged particles. The SI unit of electric charge is coulomb. Okay, for its abbreviation is C, capital C. Coulomb is the name of the scientist. He gave the measure or the unit for the charge, that is coulomb. After the invention of the unit for the charge SI unit is named as the scientist name, that is coulomb. Coulomb is the scientist name, and you are going to know more about the coulomb in the higher studies. Okay, and let us know the magnitude of electron. The value of one electron is magnitude of charge of electron. Magnitude of charge of electron is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, you must have to remember that the magnitude of electron is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, that is the why it is negative. It is because of the sign the electron has. Okay, and next the magnitude of proton. Magnitude of proton. Proton is a positively charged particle. Magnitude of proton is plus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, the standard magnitude of both electron and proton is same, only the difference is the sign. Okay, you must have to remember that proton has a positive 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb magnitude, and electrons have the magnitude of 1 minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, and next the electric charges are denoted as Q. Electric charges are denoted as Q. Q is equal to number of electrons, because the electrons are the reason for the flow of electric current. Electrons are the reason for the flow of electric currents, so that's why Q is defined as a number of electrons. Okay, let us discuss about the electric current. Electric current, it is the rate of flow of electric charges. Rate of flow of electric charges in a unit time. In a unit time throughout the conductor. Okay, the rate of flow of electric charges through any cross section of a conductor in unit time is known as electric current. Okay, here is an wire. Okay, as in that this is a wire. In this wire, how many electrons are flowing? Okay, how many electrons are flowing in 1 second or 1 hour or any time, whatever you want to consider. Okay, in this area of cross section, how many electrons are flowing, and that gives the electric current, and that forms the electric current, because electric current is generated due to the flow of electrons in a conductor. Flow of electrons in a conductor, which forms the or which generates the electric current in a conductor. Okay, in 1 second or in 1 unit time, how many electrons are flowing in that conductor that generates the electric current in the conductor? Okay, that is defined as electric current is termed as I. I is equal to Q, number of charges. by time taken. Number of charges flowing in a conductor in a unit time is I is equal to Q by T, or in other words, I is equal to NE, number of electrons or number of electric charges are flowing in a unit time throughout the conductor, gives the electric current. Here, by using this relation, we can find the current which is flowing in a conductor. By using this relation, we can find current flowing in a conductor if they are given the number of charges are flowing in a conductor and within this time. Okay, we can find electric current, or if they are given the electric current flowing in a conductor and time they are given, then we can find the number of electrons or number of charges flowing in that conductor. Okay, by using this, we can find number of charges, time and current. By using these two relations, we can find number of electrons or number of charges or electric current and time to flow the electric charges or electric current. Okay, so this relation you should have to remember for basic concepts. To understand the basic concepts, you must have to remember these two relationships. Okay, now let us discuss about the unit of electric current. The SI unit of electric current. SI unit of electric current is ampere. Okay, ampere. In abbreviation, we call it as A only. Okay, A means ampere. The SI unit of electric current is ampere. When 1 coulomb of charges flowing in a conductor in 1 second. In 1 second gives the current of 1 ampere. Gives the current of 1 ampere. Okay, the 1 we can also define it as 1 ampere when 1 coulomb of charges flowing in a conductor in 1 second is known as 1 ampere. The one more question will be asking for you for your examinations. Okay, define 1 ampere, like the questions will be asking. So 1 coulomb of charges flowing in a conductor in 1 second is known as 1 ampere. Okay, now let us discuss about the direction of flow of electric current. Direction of electric current. Okay, in a conductor, the electric current flows in a direction opposite to the direction of flow of electrons. If the electrons are moving in this direction, the current flowing in this direction. This is the conventional current. Okay, and it is not the true one. The electric current is always flowing in the direction of the electrons. Okay, for the not changing the concepts of the physics, we are taking this current as the conventional current. Okay, conventional current it is. The conventional current is flowing in a direction opposite to the direction of the electron. If the current is flowing in this direction, the electrons are flowing in this direction. That means the conventional current is flowing opposite to the direction of the electrons. Okay, and in a battery, okay, in a battery, the electrons are flowing from positive terminal to the negative terminal. Okay, the electrons are moving from positive terminal to the negative terminal in a battery. Okay, remember the points. Okay, so the direction of flow of electric current is always opposite to the direction of the electrons, and it is known as the conventional flow of electric current. If you have any doubts, you may ask in the comment box, and in the next class I'm going to discuss some numerals on the electric current and electric charges. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you may ask in the comment box or ask me in the personal contact number. Okay, and like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.